Hey guys, today we're at High Street in Phoenix, Arizona for Highline Autos, Cars and Coffee. We just got here along with Fast Lane Drive guys, and stay along for the ride. We have some cool in-car footage and just showing what's here at the show. All right, we just got to LAS and we're with Fast Lane Drive. I'm a member of the club, so to speak, and a great group of people if you guys are considering joining for the Phoenix region. They have Miami, Vegas, LA, and maybe San Diego. But we'll have about 15 of us meet up here, and it's just fun to drive over there together, get our adrenaline going. We have spots reserved for us over there, which is great. And we drove up from my house, William in his 720. I think that's a Novatech package. That car's, he did an amazing job on that car. Speaking of cool cars, look how cool that one came out.
Look at these wheels.
The wheels are sick.
Yes.
But hey, William, is that a Novatech on your car?
What?
What kit is that?
No, that's Ryft.
Ryft. All right.
Yeah, Ryft.
I stand corrected. Ryft. But yeah, stay along for the ride. All right, well, what a morning so far. We started up my house, then went to LAS, met all our FLD guys. We have a good group of Fast Lane Drive guys that are in the club, and inquire about that if you're interested. You could message me or comment below. And great group of guys. We just had breakfast together at Boozy?
The Boozy, yes.
The Boozy. It was actually a really good breakfast. There's probably about 200 cars here, I would say. We have anything from 89 Coutages to muscle cars to the new Bugatti that just pulled in. The Elva just pulled in.
There's an LFA here.
Yeah, LFA. What else we have here, Massimo?
Crazy cars. A lot of body kit cars, creative beast mode cars, and a lot of McLarens with FLD, and a lot of cool cars.
Yeah. So you know, that's what's cool about Arizona in general. You know, depending on where you are, like obviously LA, San Diego. There's a lot of areas where it's just heavy focus on sports cars, exotic cars, just a lot of guys that are car enthusiasts in general. And this town, Scottsdale, Phoenix, is just one of those towns that there's just so many car enthusiasts. Every Saturday, like at the pavilions in Scottsdale, you have hundreds of cars that show up for that. Every weekend here, we have Cars and Coffees, different events. This one is a Highline Auto, which is a really good magazine that shows really nice cars for sale here in town. I believe Highline Autos has that now in several different states. But it's just been great. It's great seeing everybody here. This is actually my first time ever at this event, and I'll definitely come again. They put on a great show. Everybody's really nice. They do not allow revving or burnouts. I'm sure it happens, But yeah, it's a classy ran Cars and Coffee. So hope you enjoy this. We'll definitely have Mossmo get some B-roll of all the cars that are here, or at least some of the ones that we like. And stay tuned for more. We'll have a lot more content on the car. I should be riding motocross here again soon, so stay tuned for that. I know a lot of you guys are like bummed I haven't posted a lot of motocross content, but we'll be riding again here soon. I am super pumped for that. It feels like a part of my body's been taken away for not being able to ride, so I'm sure a lot of you guys get that. So get my adrenaline fix back on that. But again, thanks for following, you guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll talk to you soon.